Namaste children. Today's class we are going to revise the lesson subtraction. Yes. Now see here I have 8 pens. Okay. I have 8 pens. From these 8 pens I will take out 5 pens. Okay. From 8 pens I will take out 5 pens. Then how many are remaining with me? Now 3 pens are remaining with me. How to write this? Yes. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Okay. Here 8 we call it as minuend. And 5 we call it as subtrahend. And the result of the subtraction we call it as difference. These are the terms which we are using in subtraction: minuend, subtrahend and difference. Okay, here what is minuend? Minuend means the number from which we are subtracting is called minuend. What is subtrahend? Subtrahend means the number we are subtracting. Okay, the number which we are subtracting is called subtrahend. Then the result of the subtraction is called difference. Now we practice few more sums, children. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. How much? 5. Next. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. How much is remaining? 4. Next. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay. Now we practice about the properties of subtraction. See, I have 2 pens. I will take out 1. How many are remaining? 1. That means 2 minus 1 equals 1. Again, I have 4 pens with me. I will take out 1. How many are remaining? 3. Yes? Okay. Now, 4 minus 1 equals 3. Children, observe these examples. Here, if we subtract 1 from any number, we will get the before number. If we subtract 1 from any number, we will get the before number. That is the first property. Now, we will see the second property. That is, if we see here, I have 4 pens. Okay, I will give these 4 pens to my friend. Then how many pens are remaining with me now? Okay, no pens in my hand. Then 0. Okay, that means 4 minus 4 equals 0. Okay, next. I have 6 pens with me. Okay, 6 pens with me. I will give these all 6 pens to my friend. Then how many are remaining? Okay, no pen in my hand, no? Then that means 6 minus 6 equals 0. Then if we subtract the number from itself, the answer will be 0. If we subtract number from itself, the answer will be 0. This is the second property. If we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number. Okay. If we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number. 5 minus 0 equals 5. 8 minus 0 equals 8. Okay. This is the third property. Once again, if we subtract 1 from any number, we will get the before number. If we subtract the number from itself, we will get 0. If we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number. These are the properties of subtraction. Now we practice the subtraction of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers, children. Here 84 minus 21. 84 minus 21. You know about abacus, no? Here see, ones place, tens place. How much is here in ones place? 1, 2, 3, 4. In tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then how much is this? 84. Now how to do the subtraction? From 4 ones we have to take out 1. Okay, take out 1. Okay, now how many are remaining here? 3. Then 4 minus 1 is 3. Now from 8 tens we have to remove 2 tens. Okay, we have to subtract 2 tens. Then take out 2 tens from 8 tens. Then how many tens are remaining here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 8 minus 2 is 6. Now what is the answer? 63. Here 6, 3. Then 63. Okay. Now we will move on to next sum. 75 minus 63. 75 minus 63 we have to do. Now 5 ones minus 3 ones. Okay. 5 ones minus 3 ones. How many bits we need to take out? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are remaining here? 1, 2. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. Next, from 7 tens we have to take out 6 tens. Okay, take out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how many are remaining? 1. Okay, then write here 7 minus 6 is 1. What is the answer now? 1 10 and 2 ones. Then it will be 12. Here it will be 12. Now we practice about subtract 3-digit number, children. 856 minus 324. 856. Okay. Hundreds, tens, ones. 856. Now we have to subtract 6 minus 4. Okay. 6 minus 4. 4 bits we have to take it out. Then how many are remaining here? 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Next 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 will be 3. Then 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 1, 2, 3. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the answer is 532. Now we are going to subtract 654 minus 213. 4 minus 3. Now we have to take out 3 beads. Then how many are remaining? 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Next, 5 tens minus 1 10. Then we have to take out only 1 bead. How many tens are remaining? Now 4 tens. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then 600 minus 200. Then we have to remove 2 hundreds. That means 2 beads. How many are remaining now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the answer is 441. Yes. Now we will subtract with borrowing, children. Here 41 minus 28. 41. Okay. Minus 28. In ones place 1 is there. Here in ones place we see 1 and 8. From 1 we cannot subtract 8. Then we need to borrow 110 from the tens place. You know that 110 equals 10 ones. 10 ones. Okay. 110 equals 10 ones. Now we will take 110 to this side. Okay. Now see, this color is different, no? Now we will change this 110 to ones. Okay. Ones. Yes. Now from tens place, we have taken 110 to ones place. Then 110 equals 10 ones. Okay. 10 plus 1. Here 10 plus 1. 11. Okay. It will be now 11. We have borrowed 110 to the ones place. Then it will become 11. 1 plus 10, it will be 11. Now here after giving borrow, here it will be 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now see here, 3 tens are remaining. Now we will do the subtraction. 11 minus 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. From 11 we need to take out 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are remaining now? 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones are remaining. Okay. Then after giving borrow, here 3 will remain. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. That is 2. We have to take it out. Then how many are remaining? 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we are going to learn how to subtract 3-digit number with borrowing. Okay. 422 minus 354. Here we cannot subtract 4 ones from 2 ones. Then we need to borrow. You know that 110 equals 10 ones. Now here I will borrow 110 to ones place. Okay. Then here 110 is there. I will convert this into ones. Okay. I will add 10 ones here. 10 ones I will add 1, 2, 10. Now after giving borrow here 110 will remain. Okay. This will be 12. 10 plus 2 12. After giving borrow here 110 will remain. Now 12 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 4. I have to take out 4 bits. Then how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. Now we will subtract from tens place. Now here I borrowed 100 to tens place. Okay. Tens place. Now here this is 100. Then I will convert this 100 into tens. Okay. 100 equals 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10 plus 1, 11. Now 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I will take out 5 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. Now After giving borrow, here 300s will remain. Okay, 300s will remain. Then 3 minus 3. I will take out 3 minus 3. I will take out 300s. Then how many are remaining? 0. No bits means 0. Then 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. In this way, we will do the subtraction, children, by borrowing. Okay. Keep practicing. Dhanyavad.